people? What it do? No, it's playing. What's good, y'all? Don TV back again with another video. You know what I'm saying? And yes, this is the next night. It's not day no more. It's night now. But this is the next night of, you know what I'm saying, from, because the video I did posted, this video I'm posting, it was last night. So okay, yeah, well, this one technically, but no, yeah, I ain't gonna lie, I did have an intro, but it was a grocery cart that was too loud. I was pushing, so y'all gonna get this. But nah, y'all make sure y'all like, comment, share, subscribe, like, comment, share, and subscribe. You know what I'm saying? And hit that subscribe button if you're new to me. You know what I'm saying? If you're new, tell your auntie about me, your grandma, your mama, your daddy, your brother, your sister, whoever that you know, tell them about me. Make sure y'all tell them Don TV 1, you know what I'm saying? It's a funny guy, you know what I'm saying? Let them know, you know what I'm saying? I'm a funny guy, but nah, y'all tune in right now. Y'all are tuning in right now to my grocery late night grocery shop video. Grocery shop, grocery vlog. I don't know, whatever, but yeah. Like y'all make sure to like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank y'all. I put a vlog in right now. Look at what it is. Late night women's run. Yeah. Got a shot for the quick hit. Y'all gonna get a vlog of that soon. Or a video of the crib and yeah. I think the guys gotta come up one day, like we used to. On that one Halloween day. Or whatever. We went to the girl party and shit. 449. That's the. That's what feet you on. That's high. Everybody miss. I don't know what to say for real. I'm gonna be consistent on that with YouTube. Y'all want me to post more videos or whatever? Y'all put it down in the comments below. Like this video though, for real. Let's get. That's probably some other bitch. Let's get like 20 likes or something. 20 likes in this motherfucker. Shum. I ain't gonna lie. But now, how y'all doing? I haven't talked to y'all in a long time. My YouTube family. How y'all been? Like been good for y'all, man. Like been good. I think last video I posted was what? Some months ago. I think it was for real, but yeah. Oh my goodness. I don't know if this copyright right here. I don't know, but it's just trumpet and shit playing out here, so. I just did that. Just pass. I ain't gonna lie. I don't even have to say nothing about for real. What y'all want me to post about though? For real. What y'all want me to post? Let me know what y'all want me to post down below. Like challenges. If I'm doing solo missions or something. I don't know. Yeah, let me know. If y'all want me to do some try on hard or something, I can do that or something. Get ready with me, night routines. More haircut videos, I don't know, something. Just let me know down below, something like that. More vlogs. Y'all just let me know down below, whatever like that. If I'm out with the guys, I'll do some vlogs again or whatever like that. You feel me? Something. I don't know. Y'all let me know in the comments below. What y'all like, comment, share, subscribe. Y'all make sure y'all do that. Make sure y'all give me 20 likes. 20 likes. Not even 20. Give me 5 likes. Give me 5 likes, man. Give me 5 likes, man. I just got back on the tube today. So yeah, I ain't even finna let y'all go high. Cause I don't know if y'all can do that. So give me 5 likes, man. But y'all make sure y'all follow me on Instagram and shit. So y'all can see behind the scenes and shit or whatnot or whatever. That's really mainly what I be on. Or Snapchat, you know what I'm saying? Also, y'all make sure y'all go follow my Twitch. I be gaming on their live stream. And I just finished Spider-Man like a while ago. Spider-Man 2. So finished that like a minute ago. And I be playing Fortnite and shit on there or whatever like that. I'll be playing like scary games and shit on Fortnite too. I said Fortnite. On Twitch, I'll be playing scary games on there as well. You know. For all my gaming people, y'all let me know what games I should play on my Twitch, and I'll, you know what I'm saying, see what I can do on there. I'm not on PC, I'm on PS5, so y'all can add my gamer tag as well. It's gonna be in the link in the description below. So yeah, it's cold in here. First of all, it's cold. Yeah, but I'm gonna hit y'all back when we check out. So like I said, I like, comment, share, subscribe, like, comment, share, and subscribe, and share it to your aunties and whoever you want to, you know what I'm saying? Listen, man, this shit came out to $200. All this shit, $203. All this shit came out to $203, bro. Yeah, like the other shit, but yeah, this majority of it was $203. So yeah, that's adulting right there, y'all. If y'all getting apartments or whatever, you getting the houses or something, make sure y'all stock up on groceries. I ain't gonna lie to you. No. Is it? Oh no. I think it is. Oh shit. It is, yup. But nah, yeah. Y'all do that. But nah. Yeah. Late night vlogging with Don. So yeah. I'll hit y'all back with another video. I said hit y'all back with another video. Y'all like, comment, subscribe, and let me know what y'all want me to post next. And I'll see y'all. Bye. Y'all made it this far through the video. I thank you for watching the whole entire thing through. I thank you for you guys for subscribing to me, liking all my videos, commenting on my videos. Thank y'all. I would not be able to do this without y'all. Like, for real. Like, thank y'all. But yeah, I'm gonna get back to dropping videos. I don't think daily. No, I wouldn't say daily because I don't really do nothing for y'all to be in the house. Ever since I got a crib, I just been chilling in here. I ain't really been out like that. I have, but I don't be getting videos of it no more. For like I used to. But as y'all can see, got my hair cut, you know. I mean, I can get y'all. No, I can't get y'all a little tour. No, I can't. I gotta clean up, do everything like that in here. And I'm not saying it's dirty. I mean, it is, but yeah, I don't want to show y'all this stuff. But yeah, just chilling, you know. But like I said, y'all like, comment, share, subscribe. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Y'all gonna be seeing more of me. More of me. You know what I'm saying? My life again. New chapter in my life, you know what I'm saying? Oh, down below, ask me some questions, Q&A questions or whatever. Y'all ask me. I'll be if y'all do ask me questions down below, I'll be doing that as another video, probably a mukbang with a special guest. I don't know, maybe I will. But make sure y'all put some questions down there, and I'll make sure to answer them. I'll do a video, mukbang or something like I said. And I'm gone. Make sure also watch all the ads, please. Watch all the ads. It will help me. Watch all the ads. You know what I'm saying? And yeah. Y'all hit that bell button as well. Especially if you're new to me. If you don't know me, hit that bell button. If your brother, your sister, your cousin, your auntie, your baby brother, your baby sister, whoever know about me, hey man, hey. I'm not funny, but I'm funny. But I'm gone. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Hit that subscribe button. Hit that notification button. Hit that bell button. Road to 2K subscribers. And I'm gone.